Hello everyone, welcome to Utthanam. My name is Nidhi and our today's topic for this video is French number or French counting, les nombres. Les nombres. So today we are going to study from number 10 to 20 and this video is the continuation for our last video. We have already discussed from number 1 to 10. So if you are not aware with that, you can watch my earlier video or my last video. Okay, so let's start this video. So les nombres from number 10 to 20. Okay, so our first number for this video is 11. Okay, so how we would say 11 in French? It's onze. Onze. Ons. Okay, then our second number for this video is 12. 12. 12. So how we would say 12 in French? Douze. 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 Okay, please focus on the pronunciation part. Okay, douze. Okay, our next number is 13. 13. Okay, I'm sorry, I wrote wrong and like in English. So, anyways, but it is 13. Okay, so in French it would be 13. 13. 13. The French spelling and pronunciation is very correct. Okay, so 13 is 13. 13. 13. Okay, then our next word is 14. 14. So it would be in French, quatorze, 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 14, quatorze, quatorze. Okay. Then our next number is 15. 15. It would be quinze, quinze, quinze. It would be in French, quinze, quinze, quinze. Okay. Then our next number is 16. 16. It would be in French, seize, 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 seize. Okay, please focus on the pronunciation. 16, seize. Okay, then our next word is 17. 17. It would be Dix-Sept, Dix-Sept, Dix-Sept. It is just like 17 is like 10 plus 7. Okay, it's Dix-Sept, Dix-Sept, Dix-Sept. Okay, and our next word is 18. 18. In French, it would be Dix-Huit, 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 18, Dix-Huit, Dix-Huit. It is just like 17. It's 10 plus 8. So 10 and 8. Dix-Huit, Dix-Huit, Dix-Huit. Okay. So our next word is 19. Or number, our next number is 19. 19. Dix-Neuf, 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 19. Dix-Neuf, Dix-Neuf. Okay, it is also like 17 and 18. 10 plus 9. It is Dix-Neuf, Dix-Neuf, Dix plus Neuf. Dix-Neuf, Dix-Neuf. Okay, then our last number for today's video is 20. 20. 20. It would be 1. 1. 1. 20. 1. 20. The pronunciation of 20 is really different. Okay, so please focus on that. 20. It would be 1. 1. 1. Okay, then let's revise. 11 is onze, 12, douze, 13, treize, 40, 14th, quatorze, 15th, quinze, 16, seize, 17, dix-sept, 18, dix-huit, 19, dix-neuf, 20, 1. Okay, onze, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1. Dix-Sept, Dix-Huit, Dix-Huit, Dix-Neuf, Dix-Neuf, Vingt, Vingt. Let's revise once again. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, cinq, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you want to study with me, or if you like my video and if you enjoy my video, please do like and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. Okay, so just study and enjoy, work hard, be happy. Au revoir, à bientôt, bye bye.